Greetings, it's Angelo from Sarafino. Salute, sale. Here we have one of nature's gifts, even a form of currency back in the day. There's a lot of words that are derived from the word salt. I mean, in Italian you have sale, sale, salary, salute, which means health. Salt is and can be healthy if you got the right source, and of course it's unrefined and treated the proper way. So the salt coming from clay beds, Vincenzo Gucciardo and his family have been working hard, diligently, passionately over the years to create one of the best sea salts in the world. Everything, again, is done by hand. It's on clay beds. Nothing but Sicilian sunshine, some sunny breezes that help with the evaporation in the salt pans, leaving the first of the Fleur de Sel, saltwork, at the cream of the crop. That's what they're scooping off. And then later comes the regular sea salt, and then we have it in a coarse and a fine, and this is all great for your cooking, your brining, fermenting, as well as a salt bath. Did you know that you're made up of salt, water and salt? There's a lot of things we can talk about with salt. There's a bit of controversy with salt. And it all depends on what the source of salt is, and if it's been refined, and if all the minerals have been taken out of it. Is it table salt? Is it iodized salt? Is it sea salt? Is it Himalayan salt? Some of them are good, and I think some of them are bad. I eat it every day. Breakfast or my break, I break my fast with my lemon water, sea salt, and olive oil. And then I put it on my food. I even put it in my hot chocolate and my maca. It amps up the flavors, and it gives you the minerals and nutrients such as iodine that you need in your daily intake of food. So in Sicily, the salt pan has been there for millennia. It's got a continuous cycle of this wonderful ingredient, which could be perhaps the most important as well as the most popular food ingredient in the world. Salt, I mean, it brings a tear to your eye, and that tear is going to have salt in it, and you're sweating, so you're going to need to replenish that with good salt.